Good morning to everyone. So today we are here at Pigeon Lake, a provincial park 45 minutes from Edmonton. So today's weather is warm, not that too cold. It's plus 11 here. So this is Pigeon Lake. It is located in central Alberta, a renowned destination for its natural beauty and historical significance. It is bordered by Leduc County and the county of Wetaskiwin number 10, situated about an hour's drive southeast of Edmonton. Historically, the area around Pigeon Lake has been significant for indigenous communities. The name Pigeon Lake was adopted in 1958, inspired by the once abundant passenger pigeons in the region. In 1896, Pigeon Lake Indian Reserves 138A was established on the lake southeast shore, serving as home to several First Nations communities. Today, Pigeon Lake is a vibrant recreational hub boasting 10 summer villages and several unincorporated communities along its shores. The lake offers a plethora of activities including boating, fishing, swimming, and camping, attracting visitors year-round. Pigeon Lake Provincial Park, located western shore, that provides amenities such as campgrounds, beaches, and hiking trails. And today, please join me to explore the Pigeon Lake. So if you are from Edmonton or Red Deer, and you know summer is coming close, and you're looking for a place or a getaway, you can come here to Pigeon Provincial Park. You can see the water, it's too clear. It's just I don't want to recommend right now to go into the water. For sure it is freezing and it's too cold. Also, they have playground here and it is perfect for kids. They have picnic tables and fire pits in case you want to do some barbecue and grill some stuff. And this is the map. This will be your guide to locate the campgrounds, trails, and other amenities. While we are on the trail, this cabin caught my attention. It's my first time to know that they have this cabin type here. It is car accessible with ramp and electrical power. It is quiet and relaxing here, a nature vibe, perfect place to relax and chill. And the advantage of this cabin is close to the trail and also close to the lake. More than that, there are more cabins here and can accommodate groups or number of families. I really like places like this. It is very quiet and away from city's noise, and you can just sit and relax. And the most important thing, don't forget to say hi to your neighbor. This is the trail here in Pigeon Lake. It is along the lake shore, easy to access for adults, kids, and elders. Along the trail, there are benches where you can sit and rest while viewing the lake. For those who are planning to do fishing here, please read the information and have an idea which type and number of fish is allowed. Example here is the walleye fish. You must have unlicensed before fishing, and there is a specific season or date when fishing can be allowed. Right now, it is very peaceful here as it's not yet the peak season, though there are few people still coming around. I hope you enjoy the virtual tour of Pigeon Lake. Thank you everyone for watching and see you again on my upcoming videos.